Ladies and gentlemen, today I'll be showing you my top 3 best apps for removing backgrounds from images and photos. And the image I'll be using in this video today is from Pixels. Pixels is a place where you get royalty-free images and videos and you won't have any problem of copyrights. I will leave the link to Pixels in the description below. The third on my list is Photoscissors. I will also leave the link to Photoscissors in the description below, get it there. And to use this, come here to upload your image from your device or you drag and drop your image here. And when the loading is done, Photoscissors automatically detects the foreground image, leaving out the background. It's fantastic, automatically it's done. And this tool here, the plus and the minus here is for you to zoom in and out. And this button with cross here is for you to pan and drag around. Then this green plus button here is to add more part to the part you want to see in your work. Maybe I want to add to this part, maybe I want this to be part of my work. Then you just use that to add to it. Then you see it in the preview there. I undo with this. And this eraser tool beside the plus there is for you to take away any parts you don't want in your work. So just play around with all the tools there. All these ones here, they are for you to work with. Just play around them and see the way they work for you. And for you to download your work when you're done, come to this button here and click download. Then you will have two choices: the download low resolution and the purchase. The purchase is higher resolution, but you need to pay. If you want, you go ahead, but the low resolution is good as well. And my second best is Removal.ai. I will also leave the link to Removal.ai in the description to this video below. Drag and drop your image here, or you use this button to upload your image from your device. And it's done automatically as well. Here is the original, and here's the one with removed background. Erase and restore is for you to edit the result. I will use the preview image. And for the second one there, the edit tool, I will also use the preview image to also work on that. And you can do so much more there. I can change the background if I want with this button and do so much more. Then I use the blue download image button there to download this result, or I come here to download the initial result. Download high quality is good, and you may need to pay, but the ordinary download is also fine. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you my #1 best background remover, RemoveBG. I will also leave the link to RemoveBG in the description below in this video. Just like the previous ones, just drag and drop your image here, or you click this button here to upload your image from your device. And when the loading is done, you have the preview of the removed background. Then I use this button here, this edit button here, to make more effect. The first tab there is for me to effect the background. Then I use this button here to undo. Then the erase and store tab there is for me to also make more effect to the project manually. This here is to increase the size of the brush or decrease the size of the brush. And the first there is erase, so I can take away any part I don't want. I undo with this, and I can also go to restore there. The restore will make me to add to the parts that I want. Undo as well. You can download from here if this project is okay, or you just simply download the initial automatic results. Here's the download HD where you can pay for higher quality, but the ordinary download is fine as well. Here is the result. You can compare the three. You may want to see my video on how to create full gradient text offset and how to add 2 gradient or 3 gradient to text effect. and also how to create different styles of logo and many more. Get the link to all these and many more in my description to this video below. It would be good if you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like. All these really do help. Thank you for watching.